We're off. Wait for it. Did you say we're gonna do now?
Sing a song.
We're gonna sing a song. Sowing bubblegum seeds. It's definitely gonna be close again. Doing some true no-tilling out here, y'all. Okay, here's hoping.
All right, we're gonna try it on that.
We're gonna try it. This is it. It's gotta be it, y'all.
But it's stuck in the tire.
It's stuck in your tire? Oh boy, that's all we need. It's cracking and we gotta get cracking. Okay, y'all, we are heading out. We are heading to the barn to, what are we doing? We're working on the cedar. We've got to take the seed out that was left that we planted. What did we just plant? We planted soybeans. We got to take those beans out, the rest of the beans out. And we got to grease it, and then we got to fill it up with the sorghum seed and get in the field. It is a lot nicer this morning. It's 68, is that right? 68. It's gonna get warm though, so we're trying to get on things early. Wesley's been doing something cool. He found an app. What's the name of the app? He's gonna look it up. It's free, right? It's a field margin. It's a free app that maps your field. So you put in your, I don't know, your GPS. Well, you just pull it up on the map.
You can either map it by putting little points on it on this like Google map, or you can drive around it.
Oh, like it'll do your GPS if you drive around it. So
and you can put like what's in that field, like say you have barley and oats or whatever.
You can put what you planted in it. Okay, so he's mapped out it tells you the exact acres, which is helping Lawrence know exactly, you know, how much seed to put in the cedar. It's free, y'all. Yeah, there you go. Plug for field margin. You're welcome, field margin. Anyway, whoa, what's this cool cat doing?
I gotta go. I mean, I'm going over there, but I'm probably gonna be behind you in the dirt.
Oh.
You know, like,
Well, go ahead in front of me. Okay. Waiting on Daddy. Where's the farmer? Yeah, they've been waiting on me, evidently. And then I ended up having to wait on them.
he's getting a tractor.
Oh, he's getting the tractor. Okay, very good. We're off. All right, new flag going in. I have a supply. I have a stock supply. I love my mailbox flag so much. You want me to do this crank pan? Oh, you already got one? Quite a bit of beans to get out. Okay, I got a lot out of this one with a little scoop. We got it though. We're gonna vacuum the rest out. Grease and read. Study up. Trying to figure out what to put the setting for the cedar. So I'm going to see if I can find how many seed per pound on the tag. These bags are so pretty. Wait for it. Look, y'all, I love these bags. That would make an awesome vintage t-shirt design. Okay, that's the t-shirt designer in me coming out. Super sugar. Doody 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 doody. I'm not seeing it on here. Treatment code. Okay, here we go. Seed count 19,500 per pound. How many pounds? 50 pounds. Doing some math here.
That's 48.6 pounds. So I'm gonna set it on that.
Okay.
Number 14, that's supposed to be putting down 54 pounds. And then when you minus
Farmer's scratch pad, palm of his hand. Always, y'all.
10%.
Okay, finally got that done. What'd you say we're gonna do now?
Sing a song.
We're gonna sing a song. You made fun of me. for asking if we were getting ready to load. We're going to sing a song. What do you want to sing, Wes? Those wheels just spin around. I showed these seed bags on Instagram and a bunch of people are messaging saying they look like bubblegum wrappers. They do. It's like bazooka. Anybody? Bazooka? Bazooka. That's what I used to get when I went with my daddy to the barber shop. They always gave us bazooka. Or maybe it's more like the bubble gum. Either way, we're sowing bubble gum seeds, evidently. Ooh, that is so close. Okay. Trying to make it easy. Easier. Okay, we're doing more calculations just to make sure.
Alright, we're planting about 25 acres. So let's put enough seed in it for about 22 acres.
Which ones are we planting?
It don't make no difference.
Hey, let's go. 20 bags. All right, here's the plan. He's gonna put them there. I'm gonna put them in. Sissy's gonna stack them and fold them. And then that's what we're doing. Okay, y'all, we have another test here. Let's see if it will go through this gate. I think it's gonna make it no problem. What's he doing? He's on the phone. He's always on the phone. Here we go. It'll probably be fine. Oh. Chicken. Let's see. Sorry, Kira. We're gonna have to relocate the chicken just a few inches. Oh, baby. I don't know. It's definitely gonna be close again. Very, very, very close. Is he good on that side? Okay. You're good on this side too. Oh yeah. Got it. Got it. My truck is not pulled up far enough. Okay. Woo! Made it. Woo! Good deal. It's very close though. Oh. He must be putting chicken back. Tight coming through those woods, but he made it. All right, I'd say the Roundup's definitely doing its job, isn't it? Doing some true no-tilling out here, y'all. It amazes me that it can, you can plant little tiny seeds over something like this and they come up. It's pretty cool. Here he comes. All right. Rolling. He got some conflicting information from the feed store and the agronomist about how much to plant. So anyway, he just found the actual Sudan mark on there. He said he'd rather plant it a little thick than thin because the more he puts down, the more he puts down, the less stalky it will be. Does that make sense?
Look at that seed on 16. Come around here and look.
Looks like it to me.
Looks like 16 dead on, little baby.
Right here.
It's beyond 16, which is just a reference point, y'all. I didn't know what that meant. It's just a reference to the chart. That's all those numbers are. Okay, here's hoping.
All right, we're going to try it on that.
We're going to try it. Good luck.
We ain't been putting up seeds.
All right, I guess I'll go get you some lunch. Come back. It's 11:30. I guess I'm gonna go home and then come back down here. I didn't realize it was Didn't realize it was lunchtime. And back we go with lunch. Alrighty. He just pulled over in the shade. He wants to eat lunch in the shade. I don't blame him. Okay, we just had a nice lunch. Well, he had a lunch. Well, I ate some potato chips. Anyway, I'm going back to the house to get my lunch. He just finished this field. He said he might need me to bring a few more seed, but he said he would rather have not enough in the hopper than to have too much and have to take it out like we did with those soybeans this morning. So, we'll see. It'll be close. Y'all, it feels so good. I kept thinking it was going to get hot again today. It's not. The humidity is so much lower, and it just makes me happy. It just makes me happy, y'all, because the last couple of days have been gross. So, we're just going to take advantage of this and enjoy it while it's here. The chance of rain that we had for tomorrow looks like it has diminished, which is really not good. See, it would be perfect because he should have no problem. I don't think he should have any problem getting all this. He shouldn't have any problem getting all this seeded today. So a rain tomorrow on this seed and on the beans and the sunflower would be perfect. Still holding out hope. Okay, just got called into action, didn't we, Bonnie? He thinks he needs 4 more bags, but he said to bring 6. Cause were you around that one time where I had to go back like 5 times? Yeah, so we're trying to avoid that, but he's close, y'all. He's close to getting done. Well before supper. He's waiting. Last field. Wait, is this the last field? No, this is not the last field. Wait, yeah. I'm so confused. I'm confused about what's what. Whatever. I think, yeah, there's barley in the other field. This is it. It's gotta be it, y'all. Boop, boop. Alright, let's see. Oh, everything. It's pretty even. It's really pretty even, babe. Did you look at it?
Well, I looked at it a while ago and moved something around.
Oh, you moved it around. Okay, I see.
I know the end of the line.
Or bubble gum. It's funny. It does look like bubble gum wrappers.
I don't know where it's stuck in the tire, but it's stuck in the tire.
It's stuck in your tire?
Yeah, I didn't find it in the tire, but it broke it.
Oh.
See where it went in the tire?
Oh.
It broke that end off.
Oh. Oh, no.
I was lucky. It must have been a real tire. I was real lucky.
Well, why would you be lucky if it went in the tire?
I'm lucky it didn't bust it.
Yeah, but it messed.
In the tread mostly.
Oh my gosh.
I ain't looked at my all the way around, but
Look at that, y'all.
it come close to getting it.
Oh boy, that's all we need. All right, just checked and still got some in there, so he's gonna keep going. He's got 2 more acres left. Oh, y'all, it is so tight. All right, I'm gonna have to get out and be his eyes. He's got it though. He's totally got it. He might just go right on through. Look at him. He's feeling mighty brave, mighty brave. Green machine. Good job.
Get over, Bonnie.
Make room. Make room for Daddy. All right. Oh, shut the door. That's done. That's done.
Good. Which way back and tractor over here?
Okay. You don't trust me?
Well, you got a phone in your hand.
And there goes yours again. Yours goes off way more than mine does. The Farmer Network. The Farmer Network is a busy network, y'all.
Oh, yeah.
Doing a barley check for dryness. He said, oh yeah.
Cracking.
It's cracking. Okay, everything's cracking.
Should've cut it yesterday.
We got, should have cut it yesterday. So it's cracking and we gotta get cracking. Gertie's gotta get greased and head changed and I don't know what else, something.
You gotta change the feeder beater.
Oh, the feeder beater. Yeah, we gotta get the feeder beater changed. So that is the
Change the
plan the
sprocket.
next couple days.
You pull in the belt.
Sprockets, pulleys, belts, feeder beaters.
You pull in the belt.
You said sprocket. Anyway, it looks like when we get to it, it's ready. It's ready now. Here we go.
They got a good color to them. I'll tell you nothing on
They do have a good color. See some Johnson grass coming and some weeds.
Grass and everything.
I'll have to spray soon. Oh yeah, see a lot of grass. All right, little beans. Oh me. This is like so many things we need to be doing now all at the same time.
Yeah.
That's the way it always goes. All right, he said this looks good. The heads are all turned over, so everything's ready to go. Beans are ready to be sprayed. Barley's ready to be combined. And then he's gonna put more beans where the barley is. And he just said all the bins are gonna be full of barley. All those new bins, and you're saying we could use more bins. I guess it's like a lot of things. There's never enough storage. Like our house. And the refrigerator. And all the things. Oh, bumpy.